faster, infinitely faster than everyone else. Everyone else seems to be getting down and down and down, worse and worse and worse. And here you are getting better. One of the biggest reasons, like, this isn't me taking credit for it because you're the one who's like taking action to really use this in your like real life, but it starts with the source of knowledge. Don't underestimate knowledge just because these days there's like this negative attitude to information and content. Like, so many people these days think that content and watching YouTube videos and reading is all bad and you should just take action. It's kind of like a pendulum where people just used to take action. Now people just consume information. But the truth is, the person who's the most successful is usually right in the middle. If I'm actually honest, right, the people who are making a fuck ton of money and who are currently like rapidly growing in their skill set, they actually only seem to work on their craft for like 3 to 4 hours a day. Like some of the greatest athletes that you'll see, they'll work out like once or twice a day. And the rest of their time, they're basically like learning about their craft. The greatest YouTubers that I know, they spend hours a day reading and watching YouTube videos and taking basically every course that's available on YouTube. But they only sit down and record for like 60 minutes a week.